The sum of all the roots of the equation x modulus of x square minus 8x plus 15 minus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. The options are 11 plus root 3, 9 plus root 3, 9 minus root 3, 11 minus root 3. Let's see how to solve the question. So first let us factorize the expression within the modulus symbol. The expression is nothing but modulus of x minus 5 into x minus 3 minus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. So we know that this term inside the modulus will change its nature to the left and right of 3, to the left and right of 5. Whenever x is greater than or equal to 5, that expression is positive, because if you take a number more than 5, the first term is positive, second term is positive, product is positive. Similarly, whenever you take any term to the less than any value for x less than 3, this term will be negative, this term will be negative, the product will be positive. And in between 3 and 5, that expression inside the modulus will be negative, because if you take any value between 3 and 5, the first term will be negative, the second term will be positive, so the product will be negative. So we need to discuss, so we'll discuss it as two cases. Case 1 is when x is greater than or equal to 5 or x is less than or equal to 3. In both the zones, the expression inside the modulus is positive. Whenever the quantity inside the modulus is positive, there is no need to put a modulus, remove the modulus. So we get x minus 5 into x minus 3 minus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is nothing but x square minus 8x plus 15 minus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0, which is nothing but x square minus 10x plus 22 is equal to 0. I don't think we can factorize this. We'll go for the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square, 100 minus 4 into 22, which is 88 divided by 2. So I get x is equal to, you will have a root 12, which is 2 root 3, 10 plus or minus 2 root 3 divided by 2, which is 5 plus or minus root 3. Now the condition is x has to be greater than or equal to 5. So you can see 5 plus root 3 is satisfying that criteria, or x has to be less than or equal to 3. You can see that 5 minus root 3 is 5 minus 1.73, which is 3 point something. So 5 minus root 3 doesn't satisfy the criteria. So which implies there is only one value of x in both the zones put together, which is nothing but x is equal to 5 plus root 3. Now we need to discuss the other zone, namely this zone. X lies between 3 and 5. So because we have taken equality there, now let me take x lies between 3 and 5. When x lies between 3 and 5, this term will be negative, the first term will be negative, second term will be positive, the product will be negative. If the quantity inside the modulus is negative, the rule is remove the modulus, attach a negative sign. So you get minus of x minus 5 into x minus 3 minus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is nothing but minus x square plus 8x minus 15 minus 2x plus 7 is equal to 0, which is nothing but minus x square plus 6x minus 8 is equal to 0, which can also be rewritten as x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0, can be factorized as x minus 4 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, gives me x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 2. But what is the criteria? X has to lie between 3 and 5. So 2 cannot be accepted as a solution. So we get only one solution from here, x is equal to 4. So totally there are two solutions only. One solution is 5 plus root 3. The other solution is x is equal to 4. Now the question is sum of all the roots. So what is the sum of all the solutions or sum of all the roots is 4 plus 5 plus root 3, which is nothing but 9 plus root 3. Now let's go back to the question and look for the options. What are the options given there? 9 plus root 3 is nothing but option B. So the right answer is option B.